Hello guys, I am Roosevelt, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create a cap mockup design in Adobe Photoshop. So without wasting much time, let's get started. I have my image over here and I've already cut out my cap image. So if you haven't cut yours out, you need to make a selection of it and then cut it out. After cutting it out, just right click and then convert it to smart objects. Once you are done, go to filter, blur, and select Gaussian blur. Over here, set the radius to a lower number. The reason why we are setting it to a lower number is that we want to blur the cap image, but then we don't want to do it too much. So something like this is okay, because when you increase the size, it becomes too much, which isn't cool. So just go with the smaller value. So I'll be going with 4.2 pixels, and then you click on OK. Now go to filter, save as, and then change the name to displacement. Change the name over here to displacement and then save it. But with mine, I already have the displacement file over here, so I'll go ahead and then cancel it. When you are done, just delete this filter. Delete it. Nice. Now let's add our pattern image to our cap over here. So I'll drag in my pattern. Over here. Press Command T or Control T, and then I'll resize it. I think something like this is okay for me. Press Command J or Control J to duplicate the pattern design over here. Turn off the visibility of the duplicated one. Select this pattern image, right click, and then select Create Clipping Mask. After doing that, just go to filter. Okay, let's change the blend mode first. So change the blend mode from normal to multiply. Then go to filter, distort, and select displace. Over here, set the horizontal scale to 20, set the vertical scale to 20, check the stretch to fit, also check wrap around, and then make sure you check the embedded file data in Smart Objects and click on OK. Now Photoshop will ask you to open a PSD file. So where you saved your displacement file, just double click on the displacement file to open it, and it will apply it onto your cap. When you are done, go to FX and select blending options. Over here, we'll be working with the underlining layer. So hold down your Option or Alt key, left click to split the whites, and then push it to the left side. So I'll be going with a value of 215. So here's the 215, and then click on OK. Nice. I think this is okay. So what we'll do is turn on the visibility of the duplicated pattern layer, right click on it, and then with that one to select Create Clipping Mask. After doing that, let's change its blend mode from normal to multiply, and after that, let's reduce its opacity to 30%. Nice. But then we are left with one more thing to do. Hold down your Alt or Option key, and you see this double circle over here. Whilst holding down your Option or Alt key, left click and then drag to move that smart object and paste it onto our duplicated pattern over here. Nice. So now you can see that the cap is looking great. Okay guys, so this is how to create a cap mockup in Adobe Photoshop. If you like this video and then haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Also like, comment, and share with others.